Welcome to the 3rd Gen Workshop, everyone. If you like our videos, please take a minute and hit that subscribe button. Today's video in the trailer project series, we are installing a breakaway kit for our electric brakes and tying the battery that comes with it to the 12-volt auxiliary power from the tow vehicle to maintain the battery charge. Let's get started.
We're going to install the emergency brake control switch, or emergency switch, and battery backup. This is for your trailer brakes. Should your trailer become detached from your tow vehicle, this cable here will pull this pin on the side, and then the battery, the switch will trigger the battery and the electric brakes to fire, hopefully stopping the trailer before serious damage is done to the trailer, to the contents, or somebody around it. So this is the install of that. I've already installed the switch. This particular switch just has one mount point and then the cable up front. The great thing about this particular system from Breakaway is it tells you, right where every wire should go. So we're going to go ahead and get this all installed, get the box mounted up, and then we'll start running the wires underneath where everything needs to go. I'm not a big fan of what comes with these switches. A, you have to buy a hook to hook it up to the trailer. B, these things crimp and bend, and they're just, once this plastic coating on this metal rope starts to fray, they go to hell quickly. So I recommend cutting this off and replacing it with one of these. It's a 6-foot breakaway cable. The great thing is it already comes with the hook. It comes with the everything you need to hook it up to the cable. So all you do is put this key ring on this hook and then put the hook on the other end. We're going to go ahead and install this. All right, and then we'll put the other end on our hook, just like that. And this thing can stretch out to 6 feet and no issues. And now, when we put our chains away in our storage hook, we can put this right there with it. And everything's up and out of the way. Okay, the switch is installed. Battery box installed. The battery's already in. Now it's a matter of running our wires and cables underneath. Just in case you can't see the diagram, red goes to 12-volt auxiliary, white goes to ground, blue goes to blue, and then the black from the switch goes to the brakes, which is blue on the harness. We'll get underneath and start wiring all this up. We're going to use these same wire mounts we used for the powered jack. Now that everything's hooked to the wire loom, the blue is connected to the blue. Now we just have 3 wires left to go. The white will go to ground. The red will go to auxiliary power, which is the black wire. And then the black wire from the box, or from the switch, will go to the brake. Make sure all my wires are out of the way of these screws go in. Once this is hooked up to the truck or to the tow vehicle, that battery will charge. They come charged from the factory, but this will allow it to charge up, and these batteries last about 2-3 years.
Thank you for watching. If you like these videos, please hit the subscribe button. In our next video in the trailer project series, we will be installing our power jack, a chain organizer, and a GPS trailer tracking system.